Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You are addicted to validation and you don't even know it. So without wasting your precious time, let's dive into the content soon. Yeah, today's content is about why Mondays feel heavy and Fridays feel lazy. The topic that we people, most of us do agree with. Yeah, let's see. So have you ever noticed that on Mondays we our brain don't be ready for the work. So on Fridays our brain already left the work, and in between this Tuesday to Thursday it feels a real productive. So now let's decode it. Now let's see the science behind it. First, let's see the Monday. On Mondays, our brain it tries to adjust from the weekend with full of freedom, leisure, and lack of sleep. And here our brain it tries to adapt to the sudden structure and responsibility. So it fight little hard, and your brain usually resists this shift, and this is called the transition cost. And it's not about the laziness. So next time when you feel guilt for losing focus on Monday, don't just feel this guilt. It's not because of you, it's just the brain's algorithm. So coming to Friday, on Friday we people, most of us, we will be mentally present. No, sorry, we will be mostly physically present but mentally absent, and our focus almost drops. So this is happening because of the dopamine shift from the work to anticipation is gonna happen, and our brain clearly knows that a reward is nearby, and so will our brain is very eager to enjoy the weekend, so it almost loses its focus. So now coming to the midweek, this is called the real productive week, and we can also call it as the stability zone, where our routine is set and we all have the balanced energy, and there is no pressure of a start or end. And this is also called the natural peak performance week. So now let's see how to fix this. So first of all, you have to redesign your week. So on Mondays, you can go ahead with a light tasks, a planning, or easy wins. And coming to the Friday, you can go ahead with meetings, reviews, and low focus activities. So coming to the midweek, you can go ahead with important tasks, creative work, and high focus activities. And always learn to work with your brain and not against it. So fix number 2, you can split it into a 30 minutes Monday reward system and 30 minutes Monday rule and Friday reward system. So under 30 minutes Monday rule, you can split you can set a 30 you can work for 30 minutes of real productive work in the first half, and you can do 30 minutes of real productive in the second half. You can set this 30-minute rule, so you don't need to be productive all day. So coming to the Friday reward system, always set a reward on Friday, like a movie outing or gaming after your weekend work, so that your brain stays engaged till end. And now coming to the weekend, this is very underrated one. Please plan ahead the weekend before earlier itself, and don't completely destroy your sleep during the weekend, and don't go to the extreme laziness mode, because easier weekend is equal to smoother Monday. You get it? I think you will get it. Then so basically, um your productivity, it isn't about how disciplined you are, it's about understanding your brain's rhythm. And once you align with it, every day becomes productive and you don't need to be worried of losing focus. So if you love your life, if you want to love contents like this, you can follow me for more videos where we can decode life and society. Thank you and bye bye.